Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Read AI in Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams on your PC and make sure you are signed in with the correct account where the Read AI is connected. Now look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture to open the account menu. From the menu, select Manage Apps. This will take you to the section where all installed and connected apps are listed. Here, scroll down or use the search bar to quickly find Read AI in the list of apps. Once you see Read AI, click on it to open the app information page. Here, you will see details about what the app does and how it connects to meetings. Now, choose the option to remove, uninstall, or disable the app, depending on what option is available on your Teams version. Confirm the action if Teams asks for confirmation. After removing Read AI, remember that it usually requests permissions before joining any meeting. When a meeting starts, the host or another participant may see a request asking to admit Read AI. If they do not want it to join, they can simply deny the request and the AI will not enter the meeting. Now completely close Microsoft Teams so it is no longer running in the background. After that, reopen or restart Teams to make sure all changes are saved and applied properly. Once Teams opens again, Read AI should no longer appear in your apps list or attempt to join meetings automatically. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.